So that's when I went out and I said, how dare you put your hands on a pregnant woman?
Yeah.
It's not true.
You're on video.
You're lying to yourself.
We're not arguing on the side of the road. Get in the car, okay?
Can I press charges?
For what?
For blocking the entrance.
On January 2nd, 2025, police responded to a report of a physical disturbance at a Dollar General store.
So she's been here before. She's always up to no good doing stuff.
Okay.
But usually we don't call the cops because they don't get to her in time and it doesn't make a difference. But so she comes back in by the time I come up front and she's trying to pay for the lighter. And I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna let her pay for it so she can go. She doesn't have any money for it. She's like digging around and then she's like, can I just get a cheaper one? I'm like, fine. And really I'm just trying to get her out.
Yeah.
So she grabs another one and she's trying to give me like change and I'm telling her like this is not enough to cover the lighter. And she's like, well, didn't I give you change? And didn't I give you this, give you that? And she's just like skitzing out or whatever. And I was like, you didn't give me enough. And so I'm walking over there towards the lighters with her. And she's trying to walk out with it past me. And I was like, you're not leaving with the lighter. And then she just puts her hands on me and then goes out.
And she like pushes you out of the way? Okay. Do you have video of that by chance? Or anybody that can access it?
I can see.
Okay. Are you the manager?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But she comes in and she's always trying to return stuff, and I'm like sure she's just stealing it and then trying to return it. She tries to get beer and cigarettes all the time. I gotta go back a little further. She has like a blonde wig. I haven't seen her in a while. Like she hasn't been in here in a while.
She's a white lady?
Yeah, she's white.
She older? Like what?
She's can't be more than 40, I don't think. And I was asking him, like, because she had taken it out of the packaging over here because it didn't have a barcode on it.
Yeah.
And I don't know what she's trying to do here.
And whoever called said that, are you pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay. How far along are you?
8 months.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Do you want to pursue charges?
Honestly, I wouldn't have even called. The other lady was being a little more aggressive than me. But, I mean, to be fair, she shouldn't be doing stuff like that. So,
yeah,
I mean,
but it's totally up to you.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Just because I feel like she needs to... She's crazy.
Yeah. Is this her?
This is her here, yeah. So she's just grabbing and touching. I'm telling her, and she's like, I want this one instead. And I'm like, okay, that's fine. Like, I don't care. Like, just give me the change. And then at that point, she's like, didn't I give you some money already? And I'm like, you didn't.
Yeah. Okay. But she didn't actually make it outside with any merchandise.
No,
correct?
she did.
Oh, she did?
Yes.
And is it gone now? Like, she took it?
She took it,
okay.
yeah. And I mean, it's just a lighter. It's not a big deal. But at the same time, like, you just keep letting people get away with it. They're just going to keep coming in and doing it.
And how much was that lighter?
Like $2, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe $2.
Still shoplifting.
Right.
So, but the main thing is that we're, concerned about is obviously how she grabbed you and pushed you out of the way. Due to you being pregnant, that becomes a felony. So,
This is her.
currently looking.
Damn, you're not going to be able to see it.
Oh, it's not going to show.
No.
Oh, of course, they don't have one at the door. Like, what do you mean?
And it faces that way, like.
Yeah, why
to the
wouldn't
other
they?
direction.
I don't understand that.
But
No, it's not-
anyways, so what happened is, I mean, I have the other lady's number too. She wanted to give it to me for a witness. Yeah.
Okay.
She didn't have enough for the lighter, and I had the lighter in my hand, and I said, you're not taking it unless you give me the rest of the amount. And then she runs over there, grabs another one, and is like, well, I'm just taking it. And that's what happened. Okay. And then I'm like, you're not taking it. She pushes me out of the way, runs out. Yeah. And you'll see the other lady in line, like, she ran after her and was like, you just put your hands on her. Yeah. Like, how dare you? But I have her number, too.
Okay. That would help.
Later that day, deputies contacted the witness, who stated that she observed the suspect going back and forth between the rack of lighters and the checkout counter.
The lady said $1.44, and she gave her $1.30 or something like that.
Yeah.
And the lady, the employee said, you didn't give me enough. And she's like, here. And she like threw a penny or a dime, I don't know what it was. And she said, I'll just fucking steal it. So the lady goes down, and the employee goes out, and she said, you're not leaving.
Yeah.
And she's standing there, and the lady, as she's going, she's pushing her. And then she open-handedly pushed her. So that's when I went out, and I said, how dare you put your hands on a pregnant woman for a lighter, you fucking crackhead. I did. I was so livid. And I said, over a lighter?
Did she take off towards, like, town center or something?
Well, she went behind. So
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know if she like. I
'Cause-
tried to look in the woods, like there was some balloons back there, but I didn't. I
Yeah, we
didn't
could
go to
not
chase
find
her.
her, but I'm sending out like a attempt to locate and everything like that.
She had a silver bike.
Yeah.
Looked
Oh,
like
it's silver.
Yeah, it
Okay.
looked like a crazy bike.
Yeah. Like a mountain style type bike, beach cruiser, but a bigger one, not like a BMX or nothing.
No, definitely like a high style. But
Okay.
she had something over her face. Looked like she maybe had a wig on.
Yeah.
Some
I guess
leggings.
the manager, the lady she pushed, said that she comes in often and like does this kind of shit all the time and like returns stuff or tries to return things to get like beer and cigarettes.
Yeah. She was definitely on something.
Right.
Yeah, she did have an Arizona can. I don't know what was in it, but she did have that. And of her lighter, like
Well,
for your drugs, I don't know, but I was furious.
no, I get it,
I
and
was
that's
furious.
and luckily she wants to pursue charges, so that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
As soon as I identify her, but I have to go through this process first.
After deputies conducted their investigation, they identified the suspect as Maria Gritsayev. Deputies later received a call from another store reporting that she had also attempted to shoplift at that location. They then located her address and made contact with her. During the contact, she denied ever being at a Dollar General store.
Hello, how you doing? You mind if I talk to you for a minute? Well, I need to talk to you for a sec. Ma'am, I need to talk to you for a second, okay? I want to talk about, were you at the Dollar General earlier today?
No.
No?
No.
Can you tell me what happened there?
No. What are we talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about?
No, sure.
Okay.
I went and got some food. That's what I did.
You went and got some food?
Yes.
Where'd you get food at?
At Publix.
At Publix?
Yes.
And you didn't go to the Dollar General at all? All right. So listen, we have video footage of you in the Dollar General. Okay. So I'm just trying to get your side of the story on things. Obviously, you were there. So what happened?
That's not what I said. Why are you changing the story, bro? Come on.
I'm not-
woke up. I just told you I woke up.
Okay.
I'm not gonna fucking get words put on my mouth. I went to the fruit section at I'm tired. At the I already forgot. Sorry. I just Publix.
All right.
And I just walked out of Publix, and then this is, and from Publix I went straight home. Sorry, I just woke up.
Okay.
Were you riding your bike?
No, I just walked.
Oh, you walked?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't go that way. It's just a rumor. Not an rumor, but it's been like this since I was born. Usually walk. But we don't.
I knew you before. You said you ride your bike all the way to Daytona. So
Oh yeah, I usually ride my Peugeot bike, which is upside down right now.
it's upside down.
I mean, like I'm fixing a wheel on it, but it's actually at the. Oh, sorry, it's you do screw swap of the tire. I'm so sorry, I'm so tired.
You don't have your bike here?
I got my bike here.
You do? Oh, I thought you said it was upside down somewhere.
No, it's upside down. I took off the tire. I have the thin road tires taken off, and I usually put sun in there.
Is it in the back?
Yes.
Do you mind if I just look at it?
No, I do mind.
Okay.
I gotta go to sleep, guys. Is there anything else I can help you?
I can't hear you.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
So you weren't at the Dollar General at all? You didn't go there to get a lighter?
No.
Okay.
No, I got a few fruits from Publix, and I got it.
What time was that?
But it takes me about an hour to walk there. An hour and a half.
Yeah, do you remember what time you went there? Was it this morning?
No, I like walk. I usually just wash my face. I didn't think back. I didn't.
Yeah, were you wearing that you have on?
No, I wore I just wore gray pants and some like
What top did you have on?
I don't remember, sir.
You don't remember. Were you wearing your wig?
Is there anything else that you want to talk about?
Were you wearing your wig?
No. No, I was wearing my hat with a hat, with a black hat.
Okay.
A follow-up was conducted on January 6, 2025, during which deputies placed Maria under arrest. She later admitted to being at the Dollar General and stated that she paid for the lighter. She also claimed that a female employee stood in front of her at the entrance. Maria then asked the deputy if she could press charges against the female employee.
Maria, stop for a second. Come here.
What do I need? What do you need?
I need to tell you. Listen, okay?
I don't need to stop for you.
Yes, you do. Okay, listen to me.
What do you want?
All right. So right
This
now.
is like the 8th time you guys
What's
come
that?
around. Like you guys always stop all
Okay,
the time.
listen. You're going to jail. Reference.
For what?
Listen.
I'll tell you in a second. As soon as you.
Can I get my, excuse me?
Stop resisting.
Are you serious for what? What are you guys?
Stop resisting.
What for?
Stop.
What? What do you want from me?
Other way. Flip it.
What are you guys arresting me for?
Close it.
What are you arresting me for?
We'll explain to you in just a minute.
So you're going to jail for aggravated battery. You pushed a pregnant person at the Dollar General the other day. Okay.
I never pushed anybody.
Yes, you did. We have you on video.
I never pushed
We have you
anybody.
on video.
I never pushed anybody.
We have you on video.
Aggravated battery?
We
I
have
never.
you on video.
No. I paid for my lighter and I was trying to
You
get
didn't
out of
know.
there.
That's
I
another
did
charge.
pay.
You
I
are
did pay.
shoplifting and aggravated battery. Okay.
Can you let me see the ticket, please?
What ticket?
Aggravated battery? Yeah. I never pushed anybody. I just walked out. She was blocking the entrance. You guys.
You put your hands on her.
I did not put my hands on anybody. You can't block the entrance. Are you kidding me?
Here, I gotta move the cones a little bit.
You guys, are you kidding
Other
me?
door. Other door. Stay right here for a second. I'll close it.
We have video of it, and we have.
I would like to see the video. Can I get a? No, that's not true. You guys are.
Do you have anything on you, Maria, that's gonna poke me, stab me, or anything?
I don't.
Okay, with the back of my hand, I'm just gonna check. Okay.
Don't
Nothing.
touch me, please.
Well, I have to if you're going in the patrol car. So with the back of my
I don't have
hand.
anything.
Nothing. Okay.
Are you kidding me? Aggravated battery?
Yes,
You guys
go ahead and get in,
no.
okay?
This is not true.
It is.
It's not true.
You're on video.
You're lying
We're not
to
arguing
yourself.
on the side of the road. Get in the car, okay?
Give me a ticket. Give me a ticket. Give me something. This is not
You're
right.
gonna
You
get
guys-
it once you get to the jail. Have a seat.
This is not right. For
Have a
what?
seat.
This is not right.
Have a seat.
I never did that. I never aggravated somebody.
That's up to the
I would
judge.
never do that.
That's up to the judge to determine.
Where's the
put your-
judge?
Put your feet up.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Now what's that?
I would never hurt anybody. I would never start a
You
fight
don't have to
ever.
hurt anybody. It's the pushing, okay?
I never.
To get out of the store.
I
right?
never. No. I was just trying
But
to
you're
get
on
out. She was
video, is
blocking.
what I'm saying.
I swear to God.
What's
I
that?
swear on my life, I would never push her. I would
Okay.
never do that.
So-
she was honestly, I gave her the money, and I think I was 10 cents short. Can you grab my cell phone, please? No.
We'll get the cell phone. So listen,
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
when
Yeah,
you're
nothing
so you did go to the Dollar General that day? It was on the
I
2nd?
I don't remember when it was. I don't.
But you remember getting a lighter and stuff like that?
I don't know. I don't. I remember. Yeah, I remember being for a lighter. Yeah. But
Okay.
I'm not sure what the date was for it.
Okay, no problem. But it was during the day, and then you got out of it. Were you riding your bicycle then?
I don't recall. I don't recall that for sure. But
So when you were leaving the store, did you push anyone, or
no, I really didn't.
okay? Did anybody get in front of you or anything like that when you were trying to leave?
Yes, she was blocking the entrance.
Okay.
And
what'd
I
you
can't-
do?
Sorry, my hair's in my mouth.
You're
and
okay.
I can't even breathe.
No, I
I'm so
got you.
thirsty. Sorry, I can't. Can I get my hair out of my mouth, please? It's so ridiculous. Could you please?
I can't unlock those now.
Oh, sorry, I'm just been working all morning. I can't believe that. I would never do that. I would never do that to somebody. I would never push or hurt somebody.
Okay, so what
intentionally.
happened when she got in front of you?
I think, honestly, I'm not sure why they don't like me. I paid. My intention was completely right. I think I dropped 10 cents.
Okay.
And I tried to pick it up, and maybe she thought that I was doing something wrong.
Is this your cell phone?
And yes, please.
All right, we'll bring it with us, okay?
Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, did you guys see me pick up the 10 cents?
I don't.
And on the video?
Listen, I saw you bending
And I
down.
think
It was. I didn't really see the full, like, other than what I needed to see. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah. And
What
I
I'm
think
trying to
she
ask you
maybe
is-
thought that I wasn't paying, and my intention was to
So when she got in front of you, what happened then? How'd you
she was
get
just
out?
blocking, just kind of just pushing me.
Then how?
with
Then
a
how did
body.
you get out of the the store if she was blocking you?
Kind of just, I don't know, just kind of. And
You
just
didn't touch her at all?
No, I didn't touch her, not at all. Not
All right,
at all.
then.
I was
Well-
my intention was to go outside.
Okay.
I'm not sure why she was blocking. It's against the law to do that.
Right.
To block the entrance and not let
Okay.
the customer.
I guess she was in fear that you're taking the lighter or whatever, but again, I can't speak on what she did or anything like that. So right now we're going to be going down to the jail. And if you have any other questions or anything, you can ask me on the way. If you want to argue anything, you can do that in the judge first appearance hearing in the morning, okay?
Can I press charges?
For what?
For blocking the entrance. That's against the law.
Okay, but you got out. That's my thing. Like,
Are you kidding me? I got out after how
You
long
did.
I get? That's against the law.
after a couple seconds after you pushed her. Like, what do you
I did
mean?
not push her.
I'm not going to argue about this with you, Maria. It's not
I would
happening,
never
okay?
push her. I would never.
It's not happening. I am not arguing.
That's aggravated assault.
Aggravated battery. Because she was...
Battery?
Yes, for pushing. Because she was pregnant.
No. I did not
She
push.
is
I was
pregnant.
just trying to get out. She was intentionally in my way.
Okay.
I did not push it.
All right.
Can I see the video, please?
It's already been submitted. I don't have it ready for me to view.
How can I get a lawyer?
You would have to go to the Dollar General. I saw it at the Dollar General. I have a photo of you. I watched the video and then I took a photo of you, of the video. So it's just a photo right now. Is what was submitted. Sorry. So
Just the photo or the video?
I watched the video, and then I took a still shot of, well, you in the store via the video camera. And what? What do you mean?
There's no way that I would. There was no way that I would push with my hands and battery.
Okay, so listen, like whether we argue about this right now or not, it's not going to change a
How
thing.
could you
So
think that a battery, sir? Battery is like something that you have marks or.
no, it's not. You can literally just touch someone, it's battery. Okay, it's the unwilling touching or strike of a person. Okay. So.
Sir, she's blocking me. She's blocking my entrance. But how do you know?
Okay, nobody put their hands on you though. That's my thing.
Their body on me. They put
Okay.
her body on me. Is that okay?
I'm not arguing about it, Maria. Not happening. I already told you. This is not the time to argue about it. Go bring it to the judge and argue it there.
I would like to. Can I file? I mean, I would like to file charges against her. That's against the law.
Okay.
Isn't it against the law? Yes or no? To block the entrance.
To block, stand in front of you?
Yes, to stand in front of me and intentionally not let me out.
Okay, how is she not letting you out? You got out.
The video?
Yes, I saw the video. You got out. You pushed her and got
I
out.
was asking you.
You're not
She was
pressing
blocking
charges.
the
There's
entrance.
nothing to charge her with. No.
She was not blocking the entrance.
You were stealing a lighter.
I paid for the lighter.
Okay. Here we go.
You even
Like,
admitted
I'm not.
to it. You even admitted to it.
No, I did not. I didn't admit anything. Like, I don't know what you're talking about.
I paid for the lighter.
Okay.
Maria was charged with aggravated battery on a pregnant victim and theft by shoplifting.